Plasticstechnicalhub Dehumidifier Dryer functions. Cyclone 1. Dehumidify hot air drying, e.g., Voltic and VRP systems. Low dew point air is heated and circulated through resin in a closed loop, drawing moisture from the pellets. The air passes through reservoir sections, like Voltic, a blower dehumidifier, removing extracted moisture before reusing the heat. Controlled by the machine's HMI, this creates a stable drying environment, optimizing resin quality and maximizing energy efficiency. Thermometer 2. 4-stage vacuum dryer, Husky's advanced system. Husky's vacuum dryer. Thank you to the Plastictechnicalhub and Virgin to my YouTube channel. Uses an energy-efficient 4-step process. 1. Preheat. Start at approximately 110 degrees Celsius. 2. Temperature ramp, closed loop. Increase to 130 to 140 degrees Celsius. 3. Vacuum drying. Moisture is reduced to less than 40 ppm under vacuum. 4. Final heat. Elevate to approximately 160 to 180 degrees Celsius, primed for molding. High voltage. Notably, under vacuum drying eliminates the need for costly desiccant or oil condensers and boosts uptime while cutting energy use by approximately 33%. Wrench 3. Why these methods matter. Moisture removal efficiency. Critical for preventing hydrolysis defects in PET, like bubbles or loss of mechanical strength. Consistency and energy savings. Closed-loop systems maintain precise control, reducing scrap and downtime. Fast changeovers. Vacuum system enables full resin switchovers in approximately 2 hours, versus approximately 8 in older systems.